Whoa, 1095, so that must be it right there. Man, this looks spooky down here. What the hell? Whoa, what the hell was that? That is blocked off. I don't like being in the open like this. There's a way in right there. I just got dropped off at the U.S. Capitol building. It seems like it is blocked off for some reason. I don't know, but we're gonna find out right now. And I'm getting ready to do a live stream in just a few minutes. So if you didn't see that, I'll put a link over here or over here, one of the two. Check it out, and yeah, see you in a bit. So that is blocked off. And I'm trying to see, that is blocked off. Is that it right there? I'm not even sure. Let's go get a better look on the side. Oh, I guess you can go this way. How cool is this? Oh, that's freaky, guys. All right, I'm gonna do my live stream right now. This ain't the Capitol building. Okay, I'm at the wrong building. I just went to grab this, jeez, and it moves. It goes all the way up there. And it goes all the way down there. I think this is like a fire rope. Like you get on it and you slide down. Yo, I am so down to try that. We were so tired last night. I know Omar was already tired and all the editing he had to do. And then I went out all night last night pretty much. I didn't get home till pretty late in the morning. So I basically got a little bit of sleep. We decided we have to film this hotel, guys. I mean, last night while we were sleeping, both of us woke up about 3 or 4 times to hearing things. And guys, the TV just came on all by itself in the middle of the night. So I was like, Omar, did you do it? He's like, no, I thought you did it.
I thought for sure you did that.
Right now, we are headed over to one of the most famous cemeteries in the entire world, Arlington Cemetery. A lot of you guys, or none of you guys know this, but my grandfather actually is buried there. When he passed away about 8 or 9 years ago, we went up to his funeral at Arlington Cemetery. They even had the horse that came out. They gave him the gun salute. He was a colonel in the Army. So I'm gonna go pay my respects. And Arlington Cemetery is huge. There is so many presidents buried there. There is so many things to see. It's basically like 20 cemeteries in one, and about 10 mausoleums mixed into it, and that's how big it is. It might even be bigger than that. So come along, we're gonna grab a lift, we're gonna head right over there, so let's do it. So we made it to Arlington National Cemetery, guys. We are in the very front where they have all this cool stuff. Apparently you can look up where people are buried on a computer, so I'm gonna go do that right now, and then we're gonna go and check some stuff out around here, guys. Section 66. 1095. All right, coming for you, Gramps. We are outside now. I told Omar we should probably just split up. Of course I'm falling. I told Omar we should probably just split up because this place is huge, and this way we can cover more of it. So if you guys would like to see Omar's version of this video, make sure you go over to his channel, because he's definitely going to record a bunch of stuff for you guys as well. And it's going to be completely different than my video. So my grandfather is going to be down this way quite a bit. But this place is amazing. Now I remember when they did his funeral, they had the horse, they came out with the horseless rider, and they did the gun salute, and you know, some really cool little ceremony. It took about an hour long, and a lot of people participated and, you know, dressed up from the Army. Really cool thing they do for, you know, their high-ranking officials when they pass away. It's amazing. So besides my grandfather, I really want to take a look at the graves of the Kennedys. President Kennedy, John Kennedy, Robert Kennedy, Jacqueline Kennedy, they're all buried here. Some other presidents buried here as well. I know George Washington is here. William Taft is here. I'm trying to think. I think there might be a couple other ones I'm not exactly sure on. But this place is so big, and I have no idea how I'm going to find my grandfather's grave. I know the section number, and I know the plot number, but what's that going to do? Because there's no numbers. Like, I mean, I don't know. Maybe we could figure it out, guys. It's going to be like a puzzle trying to find it. But definitely think this is cool. I just recently lost my dad, and I came here with him. So it's definitely bringing back a lot of memories. Pretty cool, pretty neat, guys. So I decided to get a little bit closer over here, and if you could see, it actually has the number 5988. So I know he's in section 66. Marin M, his wife. That's so cool, guys, because if you guys didn't know, this is a military cemetery. It's actually owned by the Army, but you know, if you'd like your significant other to be buried with you here as well, I do believe they do that. This is number 60, and I happen to know that 60 is right next to 66, so 66 is the next one over there. Now his grave number is 1095, so I'm gonna look for that. Wow, this place is, I mean, absolutely gorgeous and amazing. The way that they keep up the landscaping here, I mean, they absolutely do. You know, all these good men and women here that are buried to serve this country, you know, a good service by, you know, giving a good respectful place for them to be for eternity. We've made it. This is 66. Now we just have to find 1095 out of all this. So I don't know if that's going to be so easy, but let's see. We're going to start right here with, oh man, that's hard to read. Wow, 6,000. Wow, holy crap, fam. Where do I even begin? All right, so if that's 6,600, let's go back here a little bit and see what numbers these are. I mean, there's a lot. There's probably like over 10,000 just in this one section. There he is. Wow. Huh, let's see what this says. All right. U.S. Army, Korea, Vietnam, August 1934, 2006. Yep. Miss you, Gramps. That's on the back. Mary Ann, that's my grandmother. My grandmother's on this side, and my grandfather's on this side. That is something, guys. And you know, I love it that they're right on the end, and they're next to this big old tree right here, and they have plenty of other people around them for sure. So definitely need to make sure I step over. Thank you very much. I've never told anybody this, but my great grandfather actually signed the Declaration of Independence, John Morton. And I think that's pretty cool. Not a lot of people can say that, obviously. But, wow, this place is just amazing, guys. It just goes on forever. I'm dying. I actually am getting ready to do a live stream right now on Live Raise for my loyals. If you guys didn't know, there's a loyals program on Live Raise where you can pay, starts at $4.99, and you can pay more if you want, but it's more of a way to support me a little bit more and get a little bit back in return. All my live streams on Live Raise, the public ones, are free. You don't have to pay or download anything. But once a week, I'll do a private loyals only live stream, just like I'm about to do right now from the cemetery, because everyone else is going to get to watch my vlog here, obviously, so you'll get to do it, but they'll get to watch a little bit early, kind of behind the scenes thing, which is kind of cool. So if you ever thought about being a loyal, I'll put the link down below, and you can join if you like, and try it out for a month, see if you like it. But you also know that I have the members program, so appreciate all my members out there here on YouTube. Definitely helps out on these adventures, guys. So really appreciate all of you guys. And listen, you don't have to do anything. I just appreciate you smashing that like button and watching my videos. If everybody did that and that's all they did, I'd be the happiest person on earth. So, all right, I'm out of breath. In the middle of doing a live stream on Live Raise, and I got to this spot right here, and I was like, guys, you're gonna have to just hold on one second. I need to like record this part. Look at this hill and the graves that they put up there. Just got done doing my live stream, guys. That was crazy. Now the thing we were looking for, it's called the Iwo Jima statue. What I called it, the Marine Corps statue. It is the Marine Corps statue of Iwo Jima, but it is not even in here. It's outside the property, outside the fence, so I never would have seen it. Great. Well, this is where I'm at. I'm kind of lost. I just came walking from over there, and I really do not know how to get out of here, guys. But check out the patterns here. I mean, you got all these in a row. There's like in several different rows, and then you got like down here. This is actually really amazing. I hear a lot of yelling up there, though. What the hell? Did you hear that? What the heck? Almost sounds like they're making a movie. Wow. What the heck is that? And why is it fenced off? Are they really doing a movie there? I want to go in there. What the hell? Where are these people right there? What the hell? What the hell is in the bush right there? What is going on? Like, what is that? What are they all staring at? What the hell? What the heck am I missing here? I am confused. What is that? You know what? Now that I come to think of it, guys, that's a lot of people up there, right? Oh, I know exactly what this is. Or do I? I don't know what this is. So the amphitheater is over there. I don't know what this is. I know I got a duck. Oh, jeez. Well, maybe you're not supposed to step on there. No, probably not. All right, let's go this way. I guess you can still go inside. I didn't know you can go inside. They actually close in about 10 minutes, guys. So we got about 10 minutes before they close, and yeah, let's see what this is all about. Huh. Wow. Guess you can't get in there. Wow, that's really neat. Let's see where else this leads us. That's okay. That was a restroom, but they did have water there, which was very nice. Now I gotta figure out how the hell to get over. I'm gonna guess this way. Omar is waiting for me. He's over where the Kennedys are. So can I walk this way? No. Crap. That's amazing, guys. Check that out. Oh, what's down there? Oh, I guess you can't get in there. So Omar just called me and told me that he's at the Kennedy bunker still, and the cops are there, and they're trying to kick everybody out, which means it's closing and I'm gonna miss it. Pretty sure we're gonna miss it, but that's okay. I had a good time here. I got to see my grandparents. Oh, that must be closing time. Well, I think we missed the Kennedy bunker. Or I keep saying the Kennedy bunker because there's a Kennedy bunker by my house. But yeah, I guess we missed well, I guess we missed the Kennedys, guys. But you can go to my boy OmarGoshTV and check it out on his channel. Links will be down below. And that sound means it's time for us to get out of here. So I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys at the next stop, which will be... So we are in New Haven, Connecticut, and we actually made it to the Abandoned Remington Arms Factory. Like an abandoned gun factory. That's crazy. Now the crazy thing is it's surrounded by all these other buildings here. Now some of these other buildings are not abandoned. while some of them are. And this is the Remington Arms building. Now we looked on the other side, and it honestly did not look like there was any possible way in. But you know me, guys, I can't take no for an answer. So let's go see if there's any possible way we can find a way in this place. I'm down here at this corner, and they really made this very hard for someone to get in. You can tell that they've had people come here. And I talked to a resident, because I was asking him, oh, is that the Remington Arms building? He's like, yeah, but people live here. I'm like, oh, okay. Alright. That is way too skinny for me. And aw. Never like to see those no trespassing signs. But look at this place, guys. Like, this would be crazy. Ooh. So I'm way back here right now. And this might be our best bet. So let's see if there's a way in over here somehow. I don't know what's back here, but I think we're in the fenced-in area, so that's good. Oh no, there's another fence there. That's not good. But, oh yeah, baby. Can I squeeze through there is the question. Yeah, hey, that diet worked out. Alright, so we're now in here, guys. I do see cars back there, so I need to be very careful. This is sketchy, fam. Hopefully there's a way in right up here. I don't like being in the open like this. There's somebody over there, great. There's a way in right there. I think, but where? Do I see people or heard people over there? Oh, there's a park over there. Okay. Guess we could go up there. Okay, guys, I don't think I can make it through there. It's gonna be too skinny. Dang. Alright, now there's a gate here, so I'm really, unless I climb up. Is there a way in up there is the question. I do see. Oh man, this is tough, guys. Might be able to get up that way, but that's gonna really be out in the open. I don't know, we might have to call this one, fam. Or maybe I can go around the other way, because this does not look like I'm getting in from over here. Okay, so let's just go around. Maybe we can find something on this side. I might have to go up there. Let's see. No, we can go down this way. We got to a dead end, guys. But what about on the other side of this? That's what I'm curious about. Oh, wait a minute. I might have just struck gold here, fam. I might have just struck gold. Yo, fam, this is gonna be a hike. And I don't know if there's anybody in any of these windows. Hey, it's a Christmas tree. Okay, so that led me to here. So that was all for nothing. Oh boy. So I think Omar's parked right out here, actually. If I'm not mistaken, he should be, yep, right down there. Well, that was certainly a hike, guys. This is a huge building connected to more buildings. Bro, I found a way in, but it's super sketchy. Super sketchy, guys, so I don't know. Maybe we'll just head out to another place. What do you think?
I wasn't feeling this place from the get-go.
I mean, it's cool, but it's not easy accessible, and yeah, I just spent an hour.